Lollipop, lollipop, lolly, lolly. Wait a second. You mean to tell me that Mrs. Smith is going to give us a lollipop to learn the letter L? Yep. Today we're all going to... That's an interesting looking one. Looks a little bit weird, but I like it still. Here is my lollipop. What do you think I'm going to do with it?
Eat it, put it in your mouth.
I'm going to stick out my tongue and I'm going to do the letter L sound. Watch. Lick, lick, lick. Let's see if I can say some of these things. Ladybug, lion. Try this one with me. Lunchbox, lollipop. Connection.
Check out my other videos for students to learn from.
Some of it got in the mouth. Leopard. Do you guys want to try?
Yeah.
Do you guys want to try this out? Okay.
I do.
I'll call you over there and you guys can help me do all of these and we will try to do our L sound. What sound does an L make? What sound does an L make? You ready?